Hello and welcome guys to another unboxing, and this is a phone from Aliexpress. I'm not the biggest fan of buying refurbished phones, but this was so cheap that I just had to buy it. And I believe it is a Sony Ericsson Xperia Play. It's so-called PlayStation phone. So let's see what's inside. Here we have a simple box. So I ordered the phone without an original packaging because I know that packaging is not an original. So let's see what's inside the box. Oh, another this bubbly thing. And here we have a charger. So the phone itself, I never had this phone before, so I'm so happy to finally see one. Okay, so it's some kind of text 5 and some Chinese. So this is the phone. And it is looking actually very good. It has a screen protector. And let's see. Wow. So this is awesome. I mean, for playing video games, yeah, it's kind of, it's good in my hands. To tell you, I was thinking that this design won't be practical for a mobile phone, so I was thinking that this is strange, but actually it's, compared to other handheld consoles I have, this is actually pretty nice device. So you have these shoulder buttons, L and R, and volume buttons. You have a good old 3.5mm headphone jack, your power here, and the power button here. Nothing's happening. Maybe the battery is dead. So let me just open battery card. So here we have a warranty sticker, micro SD slot and SIM slot. Is this for a speaker? Yeah, I believe this is one speaker and a second speaker. We have a battery here. And yeah, this phone sticker looks okay. Actually, what I see, not sure will you be able to see, but under this sticker is another sticker that is also from this phone, and I see a second Sony Ericsson below this. Not sure can a camera pick that one up, but you can see it is a refurbished product. So let's try to power it on. And there is no light, so I will connect it to charger and see what happens. So a few minutes later we have a light, and let's turn it on. Okay. I guess the battery is really dead. Oh well. Okay, it is starting. So, and this is the phone, no setup. So, okay. Okay, so here we can set it up. So we are inside of this phone, and you can see it has a pre-installed Crash Bandicoot game, Bruce Lee, Star, Battalion, Sims 3, FIFA 10. So yeah, it is awesome, looking awesome. So let me see what version of Android this is. Here we have an Android version to 3.4. So there is no Easter egg in clicking this. Go home. So, and if we open this, okay, it takes us to pre-installed games. I won't be playing games right now because this is only an unboxing, but it is a very good phone for an refurbished one from Aliexpress. From a design point, yes, I really like it.